Hi, this is Dan from Tensoft, and today's Dynamics 365 for Financials video is about changing your report layouts. In today's video, we're going to be going through an invoice example where we want to change what our invoice form looks like that we send to our customers. So when you first log into Dynamics 365, the transaction types have default layouts assigned, but the system does ship with multiple layouts for various transaction types. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at what other formats we have available in the system for our invoice. So we'll take a look and we'll first search for our custom report layouts. If I switch over to the administrative area, I can see I have an option for custom report layouts. What we'll then do and see is get a list of all of the available custom report layouts that are already in the system. So since we're working with our invoice, we're going to go down to our sales invoice. And what we can see is I have many options to choose from. We have what the default is, as well as some other examples of what our invoice can look like. I personally like the timeless invoice, so we're going to go ahead and highlight that, and we're going to take a look at it first before we apply this report layout to our invoices. So we'll select Run Report. We will select an existing invoice to print, and we'll send that to PDF. When we open that up, we can see what that custom report layout looks like. This one looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and now apply this to my invoices. So this is what I see when I print an invoice. When we come back to the report layout list, the thing we want to remember here is the report ID. Every report in Dynamics 365 for financials will have a report ID. So this is going to be important when we go search for what we want to change. So now that I know what I want to change to, we're going to go ahead and change our report layout selection. So here we have an option for a report layout selection. We'll go ahead and select that. And we will now search for our report ID, which was 1306 for our invoice. So we can see report 1306 is here. It's my sales invoice, but the current layout for my invoices is a default simple email body layout. I want to change this to the timeless layout that we just took a look at. What you want to make sure you have selected here is that in the selected layout, you are selecting custom layout. Sometimes the first time you log in or the first time you come to the screen, this may be set to Word or RDLC. If you have a custom layout that you're changing to, switch this to customs. Then you'll be able to select from the list of options from the custom layouts. So we'll go ahead and look that up. We'll select our timeless invoice and select OK. Now we'll go ahead and print a posted invoice. So we can see I have posted sales invoices. I have a few invoices already in the system. We pull that out. We go to Actions and Print. We'll send that to PDF. We'll open that up. Now that is my report layout. So what you can do in the system is the recommendation is to first look at the options that are available. Go ahead and run a few of those from the custom report layout area. See which one fits your needs best. Apply that to your transaction types. And you can see in there we had sales quotes, invoices, there's purchase orders, sales invoices, etc. In subsequent videos, we'll be talking about how to then modify the layouts that you choose from. Well, we hope you found this video helpful.
If you have any questions regarding Dynamics 365 for financials, please feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.